Learn all about the updated bounding box. Step 1. First click text and type out some text. Step 2. You'll notice that the quick edit icons that were in the four corners are no longer available. Step 3. To scale the design, go to any corner of the design and the cursor will turn to a double arrow cursor. Step 4. Then go ahead and drag outwards or inwards to resize the design. Step 5. When you are resizing, the height and width of the text or image will be displayed. Step 6. You can also rotate from the four corners. If you take the cursor a little further out, the arrow will turn to a curved one. Step 7. You can simply move it around to rotate the design. Step 8. If you want to add text in multiple lines, you can simply stretch the box from the four small rectangles in each line. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.